Hi, it's Kia with the Kia Show, and today is Monday, March 18th, so it's Money Mondays. Today is the last segment in the Live the Rich Life Now series, and I'm going to talk about just one thing, which is the most important to me: investing 10% of your income. I talked about this a little bit in one of the blogs on my website, where investing 10% of your income will produce a ROI, return on investment. Whether it's a high ROI or a low or a moderate ROI, it'll return something to you. And I like to tell people a lot of times, sometimes whatever you invest in, whether it's a nonprofit organizations or stocks and bonds, you're going to get some type of return, whether it's fulfillment, income increase, the sense of knowing that you made a difference in someone's life. You getting something returned back to you because you invested in it. I know that a lot of people are not in a position to really invest 10%. Well, you can start out small. You can start out with just 2%, 5%, whatever you need to do that leads you up. I'm actually getting ready to elevate my percentage of investment to go into 20% of investment. And again, it is on you what you want to invest in. It could even be someone's life. It could be in an organization that serves people. Whatever it is, make sure it produces a high ROI, because that's what's important at the end. If you want to live the life that you think that you're predestined to live, it is also about giving back. That's all we have for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you tomorrow for Talk Tuesdays. Bye.